Hello everyone. My name is Akhila. And welcome back to my channel Akhila Classroom. In our previous video of SQL Part 1 we have learned about SQL, database, tables and commands of SQL. Today in this video let us learn about join, relations and subqueries. SQL joins are used to combine data from multiple tables based on a common column. Types of joins. There are mainly 6 types of SQL joins. They are inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, cross join, and self join. Inner join will returns only the rows where there is a match in both tables. Let me show you practically using mysql workbench. Open mysql workbench and create 2 tables of your own choice. Here I am creating customers and orders. Create a table and insert the values into the table. I am adding a customer ID as the primary key of the customers table. And order is as the primary key for the orders table and customers ID as the foreign key of the order. Now create another table. I am creating orders table and insert the values in it. In the output section you will find that the tables are created and the values are inserted into the tables successfully. Expand the tables and you will find customers and orders table. And expand the columns you will find all the names of the columns here. To check the inserted values of tables use select start from customers and orders command to check the result. Now let me show you how to use inner join. Execute the inner join as shown in the screen. Use the column names from the 2 tables that you want to join. If you absorb here you will see the columns of the 2 tables that we have added in the query. And this is how we join 2 tables. Left join means it will only give all the values of the left table and the matching values of the right table. Observe the syntax carefully and use it according to your code. Here in my case I have used customer ID and order ID to left join the tables. In the output you can see that the customer ID 4 has value null for order ID, order date and amount as because we do not have customer ID 4 in the order table. Right join will return all the values of the right table and the matching values of the left table. I have already written the query for the right join of tables. See the output carefully, so that you will see the values of all the right table. Full outer join is used to get the all results from both the tables. Here in the query we use union operation for the left join and right join of the tables. I have my query ready and I am executing it. We can see that the result as all the values of the left and right table. In right table we have no value for the customer ID 4, so we got null values here. The cross join will result the all possible combinations. The result of the cross join will be more because it has to make all the possible combinations. Self join will be used to join a table with itself. Here in the result of the self join query you can see there will be the possible combinations of results within a single table. The query joins every customer with every other customer, excluding self-joins. Since there are 4 customers, each one gets matched with 3 others, resulting in 4 times 3 equals 12 rows. In SQL, relations refer to the way tables are connected through keys. Relationships help maintain data integrity and avoid duplication. The types of relations are 1-to-1 relationship. Each row in table A relates to one row in table B. One-to-many relationship. One row in table A relates to multiple rows in table B. Many-to-many relationship. Multiple rows in table A relate to multiple rows in table B. Self-referencing. A table relates to itself. Let us now check these types practically. I have customers and order tables. For working with 1-to-1 relations, I will create customer profiles table. Insert the values into it. I have my query for the 1-to-1 relation ready. We use this to ensure each customer has only one profile. From the result, we can see that each customer has only one membership and loyalty points. We use one-to-many relations in SQL to make each customer to order multiple products and each product to be ordered by multiple customers. Select the query and execute it and see the result. Here in the query we can use either left join or inner join to execute the one-to-many relation query. For many-to-many relation query, I am creating products and order details table and inserting the values into it. You can check the tables and the values by refreshing the schema and expanding the database and the tables. Run the query for the many-to-many relationship. We use this query to make sure that the customer can buy many products and each product can be bought by many customers. In the result we can see Elise Johnson has bought laptop, smartphone and headphone. Similarly, laptop was bought by Elise Johnson and Bob Smith. This is called many-to-many relationship. The last relationship is self-referencing. For this I am creating the employees table and inserting the values. We use this to make sure employees can report to other employees, creating a hierarchy. Select the query and execute it to see the results of self-referencing. From the result we can notice that the manager of Elise Johnson is null, as because the manager ID of Elise is null. The manager of Bob is Elise because the manager ID for Bob is 1, which is the employee ID of Elise. Here we can use inner join instead of left join. Subquery means query inside a query. Also mean that nested query. This subquery is used to break large queries into small parts. For subquery I am using customer profile table. Here if you notify, the command within the brackets is the subquery for the given query. Select the complete query and execute it. The resultant output is the result of the subquery for the loyalty points greater than 200. If you notice the table customer ID of 1 and 3 have the greater loyalty points than 200, so in the customer table the names of ID 1 and 3 have displayed as the result.